Hello kids, how are you today? Today we are going to talk about English alphabet. You know how many letters we have in English alphabet? We have 26 letters in English alphabet. So in this video we are going to talk about all the letters. So let's start the video. A for apple. A double P L E apple. B for ball. B A double L ball. C for cat. C A T cat. D for dog. D O G dog. E for elephant. E L E P H A N T elephant. F for fish. F I S H fish. G for grapes. G R A P E S grapes. H for hen. H E N hen. I for ice cream. I C E ice C R E A M cream ice cream. J for jug. J U G jug. K for kite. K I T E kite. L for lion. L I O N lion. M for monkey. M O N K E Y monkey. N for nest. N E S T nest. O for owl. O W L owl. P for parrot. P A double R O T parrot. Q for queen. Q U double E N queen. R for rabbit. R A double B I T rabbit. S for ship. S H I P ship. T for tiger. T I G E R tiger. U for umbrella. U M B R E double L A umbrella. V for van. V A N van. W for watch. W A T C H watch. X for xylophone. X Y L O P H O N E xylophone. Y for yacht. Y A C H T yacht. Z for zebra. Z E B R A zebra. That's it for today. We will meet again in another video. Till then, please be happy and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.